Alright, so I'm gonna pay now because I'm in Walmart. What's this? Where is it? Woohoo! Oh, here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so what's the block?
Put it in the holder.
Where do I need to put it?
Put it in the bag.
Here. Now this little one and the real quick. Yes. Ball.
Oh, that's why it's expensive. Oh my gosh. That's enough na, Michaela, ha? No more buying next time.
Yeah, cooking.
Wow, you buy a lot. That's too much. So, did you get a double wow, Michaela, seriously? Seriously? You spent? Wow. How much did you spend?
I don't know.
Look at the pay.
But,
Look at the pay. How much you're going to pay?
oh my.
Look at how much you're going to
Oh.
pay.
Oh.
It's $126. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use the credit card.
Oh, you press pay. And then, not interested. Oh, go press the us. No, hold on. Okay, pay now there. Here. You have to wait. Stop. Press okay. No, it's insert card. Hold on. Press your legs.